Have you ever spent an entire weekend trying to make your small business look professional online? Building a website, writing social posts, designing flyers, putting together a pitch, and at the end you have 7 half-finished things and a headache. Google just quietly released a free AI tool called Pommeli that does all of that for you in about 10 minutes, and almost nobody knows it exists yet. In the next 7 minutes, I want to show you exactly what it does and why it is the best free thing Google has shipped in years. These are the 5 things you need to know about Pommeli to grow your small business online without paying for an agency, a designer, or a marketing team. Number 1, the website. Pommeli's killer feature is simple. You describe your business in one sentence and it builds you a complete website, not a template, a custom site with your branding, your sections, your copy. I told it. I run a small dog walking service in Portland. I serve 3 neighborhoods. I want a home page, an about page, a service page, and a way for people to book. 2 minutes later, a real website. Looked like a designer made it. Working contact form, mobile friendly, and every word on the site was written specifically about my business. Not generic AI fluff. Actual relevant content. Best for anyone whose current website is quietly embarrassing them. Number 2, the marketing campaign. And this is where Pommeli gets wild. I asked it, build me a marketing campaign to get more dog walking customers this fall. Pommeli came back with a whole campaign, a flyer, 3 social posts, and a Google Ads ad, an email template, even a special offer it suggested itself. All matching my brand, all ready to use. I could literally hit approve and Pommeli would publish the campaign across every channel for me. That's normally something you would hire an agency for. Months of work, Pommeli did it in 3 minutes. Best for anyone running a small business who can't afford to hire a marketing person. Number 3, social content. Pommeli has a feature where you give it to your business and it generates a whole month of social media posts. Not just text, full posts, images, hashtags, captions, even suggested post times. I asked for 30 days of Instagram posts about my dog walking business. A minute later, 30 posts ready to schedule, each one different. Each one actually about my business, not generic motivational stuff. And if I don't like one, I just chat, make this one about a holiday special. Done. Best for anyone who knows they should post more but can never think of what to say. Number 4, the brand kit. Pommeli builds a real brand, a logo, a color palette, font choices, even a ton of voice kit. How you should talk to customers. I gave it 3 sentences about my business. It gave me back a brand package. Most small business pay $2,000 for. And here's the wild part. Everything Pommeli builds afterward uses the brand. Your website, your campaign, your social post, all visually consistent. Like you actually hired a designer who paid attention. Best for anyone whose current brand looks like Microsoft Word from 2007. Number 5, the cat. Pommeli is free for now. Google is using this space to train the model and get businesses on the platform. Eventually, some features will move to paid tiers. That is just how it works. So if you have small business idea or you're running on already, the smart move is to use Pommeli right now. While everything is free, set up your brand, build your site, generate 3 months of content. Bank all of it while the price is 0. By the time Google starts charging, you will already have everything you need. Best for anyone watching this before Google's next pricing announcement. If this resonated with you, check out this video next.